Achieving a healthy lifestyle through regular exercise and proper nutrition is a goal many people strive for. However, the question of how long it takes to see results from these efforts is not a simple one. There are several factors that influence the time it takes to see the desired outcomes. Firstly, consistency is key. To achieve noticeable results, individuals must remain committed to their exercise and healthy eating habits. This requires a degree of discipline and dedication, as results may not always be visible immediately. In the initial stages, internal changes such as improved energy levels and better sleep patterns may be observed before external changes become apparent. Secondly, the time it takes to see physical changes varies depending on the individual's goals. For example, those seeking to lose weight may notice changes within a few weeks, while building muscle may take several months. Furthermore, the intensity of the workouts also affects the speed of the results, but it is essential to avoid pushing oneself too hard. Finally, it is important to remember that a healthy lifestyle is a journey, and not a destination. Results may come and go, but maintaining healthy habits is the key to long-term success. Consistency, patience, and a commitment to a healthy lifestyle are necessary for achieving the desired outcomes. In conclusion, the time it takes to see results from exercising and eating healthy varies. It depends on factors such as consistency, goals, and intensity of the workouts. Regardless of how long it takes to see the results, maintaining healthy habits is crucial to long-term success. Hit the like, comment and share button if you enjoyed the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more contents covering fitness and finance. We'll see you in the next one.